Block 3. What is this technology solving and for whom? Every time you sit down with a story idea, you have a decision to make. You can tell your audience about what's not working and whose fault it is. That content gets clicks. Or you can go toward the solution. Solutions journalism is not about pretending problems do not exist. It is about finding the people who are doing something about them and showing your audience what working actually looks like. That is the third question we ask. What is this technology solving and for whom? This matters for your career too. Solution stories are harder to find but getting easier to sell. Editors want them. Brands want them. Development organizations want them. Audiences are exhausted by doom. A well-told solution story stands out precisely because there are so few of them. Now, the second part of this block, and this is what makes African AI stories different from any other tech story on Earth. The solution has to be African-built for an African problem. Not AI imported from Silicon Valley and deployed here. Not a foreign tool with an African user. An African team solving an African challenge with a tool they built themselves.
Here is why that matters practically.
African problems are almost always global problems too, just made more visible and more urgent. Crop disease destroying smallholder harvests. Livestock dying before a vet can reach them. Patients waiting months for a diagnosis. These are not niche local issues. They are the world's problems, showing up in Africa too. Ronald Katamba lost his parents as a child and raised rabbits to fund his education. Disease wiped out his entire herd. He built Jaguza, an AI system that monitors livestock health in real time, using smart ear tags, sending an alert to the farmer's phone up to 48 hours before physical symptoms appear. More than 75,000 farmers across 13 countries now use it. Farmers report a 35% increase in livestock production. Born from a specific wound, built for a specific context, relevant everywhere. Ask yourself two questions. Is this story showing what is working, not just what is broken? And is the solution African-built for an African problem? If yes to both, you have a Block 3 story.